Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to upload videos on YouTube in 2025 from your desktop step by step with everything that you need to know before hitting that publish button. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser and search for youtube.com. Once you are on YouTube, you need to make sure that you are logged in into your account. Then click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen and come in your YouTube studio. Now once you are in your YouTube studio's dashboard, you will see this create option here in the top right hand corner of the screen. So simply click on the create option, then select the option of upload videos. Then click on the select files option and select that particular video which you want to upload here on your channel. So make sure that the video is in the MP4 or the MOV format for the best results. Now here, by the time this particular video is uploading, you can add the title to your video, then provide the description, add a thumbnail of your video, select bunch of other settings by clicking on the show more option. You can just scroll down and add tags for your video, select its language and a bunch of other things. Once you are done, click on the next option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then if you want to add other elements over here like subtitles or any related videos, you can also do it by clicking on the add option right next to it. If you see any kind of copyright issues over here, you won't be able to make it public, so it is going to show you whether there is any copyrighted material available in your video or not. So if you see the green option, it is passed and you can press next here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now you need to select the visibility of your video, whether you want to make it public, private or unlisted. So if you want to schedule it, you can definitely do so by clicking on this schedule option. So you can schedule it for later as well. So whichever method you choose, simply select the schedule or the next option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and there you go, you have successfully uploaded and published your video on YouTube. You can just take a look at it by clicking on this content option in the left hand section. If it is a video, it will come here in this videos tab. If it is a shorts video, it will come here in your shorts tab. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.